morning, Eleanor. Hi. Good morning. Hey. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you. Got some stuff on your face. And we're kind of pretty close to our crib. You want to come over here? Got our hiccups. We got our hiccups. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Anybody want to get their diaper changed? Yeah. Well, good morning. Yeah.